In the next spreadsheet, we have the irrigation recording sheet where the grower would enter his own figures on a daily basis. So the daily evaporation and the daily rainfall, plus each time he runs his irrigation pump, he would need to enter the number of hours the pump runs for. Now the tree spacing and row spacing has already been recorded in the previous sheet. In fact, all three sheets in the water budget model are linked. When he enters his run time in hours, the spreadsheet will automatically calculate the predicted amount of water and the amount of water the grower has actually applied. So the two can be compared, and the grower will know instantly whether he is on target in terms of scheduling his irrigation as close as possible to the predicted amount of water needed in the planting. If he has a malfunction of the pump and the pump doesn't run when it should, the difference can be made up, or the deficit in water can be made up on the following day or at a later date. This sheet is a useful record for recording when the plants are irrigated and can be used for analysis at the end of the growing season to see how closely the grower irrigated or scheduled his irrigation and how closely it aligns with the predicted amount of water needed for the planting. We can see a figure of minimum effective rainfall in millimetres. Now this figure can be changed, and it describes the minimum amount of rainfall that we can ignore that may not be effective in the planting. And the figure is 10%, or 10 millimetres, I beg your pardon, 10 millimetres, and this can be reduced if it was felt that even 5 millimetres, for example, would be effective in the planting. The second figure is the percent effective rainfall that here we've left the figure at 100%, saying that 100% of the rainfall that falls on the property is effective. Now, if the planting is on very steep land and some of that rainfall runs off and is not utilised by the crop, an estimated figure can replace that 100%. And that figure could, for example, be reduced to, say, 80%. We hope that by using the water budget model that you will be able to save water, lower costs, and optimise crop yields.